Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to write a letter to the Income Tax Department for 2025. Whether you're querying a tax return, reporting an error, or seeking clarification, knowing how to craft a clear and effective letter can save you time and hassle. Let's break it down step by step. First off, understand the purpose of your letter. Is it for a refund claim, an amendment, or a simple inquiry? For 2025, keep in mind that tax rules might have updates, so always check the latest guidelines on the official income tax website. Start by gathering essential details like your PAN, permanent account number, assessment year, which for 2025 would be 2025-26, and any relevant documents. Now, let's talk structure. Begin with your contact information at the top, followed by the date. Then, address the letter to the appropriate income tax officer or department. Use something like the assessing officer, income tax department, your city or zone. Next, add a clear subject line, such as request for clarification on income tax return for AY 2025-26. In the body, keep it polite and concise. Start with a formal salutation like, Dear Sir, Madam, and introduce yourself briefly. Explain your issue in detail, be factual, use bullet points if needed for clarity, and attach any supporting documents. For example, if you're disputing a tax demand, reference the notice number and provide evidence. Remember, 2025 might bring new digital submission options, so mention if you're enclosing files electronically. Wrap up the letter with a polite closing, like, Thank you for your attention, followed by your signature and full name. Finally, proofread for errors and send it via registered post or the online portal for tracking. There you have it. Writing to the Income Tax Department doesn't have to be intimidating. By following these steps, you'll communicate effectively and get the results you need. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tax tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay savvy and see you next time.